I'm on school break, right? Last week the weather was amazing. I could skate every day outside. Now it's just raining like a bitch. What the heck? A skater can never be happy, bro. So I'm gonna skate in my garage because I can do that. Even at home it's cold. I want to skate. But yeah, I'm putting this hoodie on. Yeah, no. Now I just look half crazy. This is the skate fit. Superstars. Another garage skate sesh. I think you guys enjoyed this one. Why not? I think these pants are too big for
dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn the snow in hospitals and funeral homes. And when the fog rises, somebody sighs who is not in disguise anymore. At the bottom,
bro, I'm not good for shit. I can't skate, bro. I'm tired as fuck. I didn't do one trick. Okay, I almost landed a big spin. This was my first time trying out a big spin. Sometimes in life you can't do everything, you know. I just learned that I cannot big spin, I cannot ollie, I cannot kickflip. Honestly, I blame these shoes. People are saying superstars are very good for skating. I don't think so, bro. That was the vid. I'm tired as shit. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.